Hey, if you want to take macro photos on your Google Pixel 7 Pro, first of all you have to click on the settings icon and then enable the macro focus. And right now, as you can see, we can catch focus on this AirPod. So I'm gonna try to put it a little bit closer. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, I guess that's the maximum range when we are not losing the focus. And let's see how it looks. So yeah, that's the quality of this photo, but I guess it will be a little bit better if you use your zoom feature. So you can go for the 2x, or maybe you can try to get rid of the auto macro focus. We can put the phone a little bit away from the subject. And as you can see right now, it was looking a little bit better, but I go too far away. Okay, so I just take the photo, and let's take a look for the comparison. So that's the photo that we take with the zoom, and that's photo taken with this macro lens. So honestly, right here we can zoom in a little bit closer, but I guess that right here we've got a little bit better quality. So yeah, that's the way to take the macro photos on the Pixel 7 Pro. Bye bye.